Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1-2 and a wave 3. I do not think the wave 3 is over because we have not hit that 161.8% Fibonacci level yet. Most wave 3s do go minimum to the 161.8. Then I think we'll probably shortly after that make a wave 4 and then probably back up for a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see the wave 1, the wave 2, and then this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and I still think we're in that wave 5 of 3. I think it's going to go up to the 2500 or maybe even the 2550 area to the 50% or the 61% Fibonacci extension levels. So, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the wave 3 of 3, the wave 4 of 3, and then I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in a wave 5, which, like I said, I still think it's going to make its way up at least minimum to the $2,500 area. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, maybe. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely still in an uptrend in my opinion. I mean, I have a level right here, which if it had broken that level, I definitely would have turned into a seller. But to me, it looks like this is the end of a crescent back here, and it kind of looks like it made 1, 2, 3 waves down right there. So I think there's a better chance that this will keep going up. I think it will probably bounce from some fib levels, but as long as it doesn't break structure to the downside like that, then most likely I will just keep on looking for longs at the end of all pullbacks, especially because of the higher time frame analysis. I think there's a very good chance that it will just keep on going up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, because of our higher time frame analysis, we know that we are very likely in an uptrend, and we are very likely in a wave 5 of wave 3. We are looking for the around the $2,500 area for the most likely place for this wave 3 to go. So if it does do what we expect it to do, then most likely it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. The market has been very slow this week because it is August. August is a very slow month overall, so maybe it won't just keep on trending up like that. Maybe it will kind of overlap a little bit, but I definitely personally am only looking for logs, and I'm only going to look to go along on pullbacks, at least until we see a reason otherwise on the higher time frames that this uptrend is over, which we definitely do not see yet. So I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.